Sir, this Samagra Kutumba survey abstract, the way it is, I was expecting the report to be in that same way. And I would have been more happy and satisfied if the government would have come or my learned minister Saab would have said, okay, yes, we will table the report. We are just waiting for the details of KCR Saab, KTR Saab, Harish Rao Saab and others. The moment we receive the details, we will table it. So, सर मैं यही बोलूंगा आपसे कि रिपोर्ट इज नेसेसरी सर. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट फॉर्म में तो आना चाहिए सर रिपोर्ट. आप छोटा कर दीजिए, 100 पेजेस में कर दीजिए, करके रिपोर्ट दीजिए. कैबिनेट सब कमेटी भी रिपोर्ट को स्टडी करी. देन दैट कैबिनेट कमेटी हैज गिवन दैट रिपोर्ट एंड इट वाज डिस्कस्ड इन द कैबिनेट एंड ऑल दैट कुड बी टेबल्ड and sir, the state will appreciate this. Okay, yes, these people are very sincere, they are committed, they are going to share. And I thank the Honorable Chief Minister Saab, or he has replied and he said that they will table the report, sir. Sir, I also would like to say that, sir, कि हमारे मिनिस्टर साहब बोले 10 वॉल्यूम में है, 20 वॉल्यूम, 4 वॉल्यूम, क्या की बोले सर, पेन ड्राइव में दे दो साहब, हम निकाल लेते हैं.
Clarification, sir. Sir, this is a statement which we are laying before the House. We have never mentioned that we will be putting a report on the floor of the House. On the statement, sir, when you directed us that you will be inviting for a small debate because this is a important subject. Sir, this is the basic objective what the report has recommended. छोड़ो साहब, वही गलत हो जाता ना. नहीं साहब, हम गलत हो जाएंगे. आप sir, definitely we would like to request Akbar Owaisi Saab to give the possible and positive response to the statement.
I thank the Honorable Minister for Legislative Affairs also, sir, for replying. Sir, only reason is that complete details I am saying, sir, is that we will get the district-wise detail as to where, how many SCs are there, STs are there, BCs are there. That is why I was just requesting, sir. And everything, all the subcast also will come in that. So that is the reason why I was mentioning that it will be helpful for everybody, sir. Sir, and also, sir, going further ahead, sir, I would not go into the details, sir. I'll just want to say that earlier initiating my speech, I had mentioned that BCs के साथ नाइंसाफी हुई और हर किसी ने नाइंसाफी की और कभी भी BCs को उनका हक नहीं दिया गया. सर, मैं जब कह रहा हूं तो शायद लोग इस बात को नहीं मानेंगे, बट सर I have the details of BC Welfare Department budget, sir, from the year 2014 and 15 to the year 22-23, सर. तो ये मेरे पास 8 साल का डेटा है, सर. और 8 साल के डेटा में, सर, तेलंगाना BC कोऑपरेटिव फाइनेंस कॉर्पोरेशन, तेलंगाना मोस्ट बैकवर्ड डेवलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन, तेलंगाना वॉशरमैन कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी फेडरेशन, कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ धोबी गार्ड्स, तेलंगाना नई ब्राह्मण कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी फेडरेशन, तेलंगाना तौरी टैपर्स कोऑपरेटिव फाइनेंस कॉर्पोरेशन, तेलंगाना विदेरा कॉप्स सोसाइटी फेडरेशन, तेलंगाना सगरा उपरा कॉप फेडरेशन, सर, तेलंगाना वाल्मीकि, सर, तेलंगाना किशन बलीजा पोशाला कॉप, सर, एंड तेलंगाना Bhattaraja Corp, sir, and Telangana Kumari Shali Vahana Corp, sir, and Telangana Madira Finance Corporation Limited, Telangana Vishwa Brahmin Cooperative Society, sir. Sir, in this total 8 years, sir, the allocation which was made, the allocation made was 6,607.48 crores, sir. 6,607.48. But the real expenditure, the BRS government was there in power, sir. The real expenditure out of 6,607.48, sir, it is so shameful, I would say, sir. It was only 417.57, sir. That is 6.32%, sir. 6.32. And this is not my statement, sir. This is the government of Telangana, sir, backward class welfare department, sir. all the details every year. It is not my statement, sir. And again, this was supported when in the Public Accounts Committee I was heading as the chairman, sir. My learned friend was also a member there. Sir, that time also they gave the details, sir. BCs के साथ कितना नाइंसाफी हुई, सर. तो मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि आज अगर हम इंसाफ के लिए आवाज उठा रहे हैं BCs के लिए, तो हमको सिर्फ ये नहीं कहना है कि इतना परसेंटेज है, इतने BCs है, इतना है. I would say, sir, we should bring in a legislation, sir, which is going to make it mandate that the amount which is allocated in the budget for the BCs should be spent at the end of the year. If it is not spent, it should be carried forward. So that is very important, sir, like a sub-plan. Like we have sir sub-plan, कांग्रेस के दौर में SC STs के लिए sub-plan में मंजूरी दिए थे, BCs को भी दीजिए, sir. This is what I want to make a demand. कि BCs के साथ नाइंसाफी हो रही है. Nobody is really सिर्फ बोल दे रहे हैं आपका इतना परसेंटेज है, इतना है, इतना है. That's the reason, sir, earlier also I said that कि BCs अब होशियार हो गया है, BCs अब उठा हुआ है, और इंशाअल्लाह ताला ये BCs के साथ हम मुसलमान SC STs मिलकर जिद्दोजहद करेंगे इनके हक के लिए और इनके पिछड़ापन और इनकी पसमानदगी को दूर करने के लिए. Sir, when I say that, and I thank the Chief Minister and the government for agreeing for tabling the report. And I think that if that report is tabled, we can have a more healthier discussion, sir. But with only some few figures which has been given, sir, I would say that this survey has fulfilled the promise made by the Congress in its manifesto for the year 2023 Assembly elections on conduct of caste survey, sir. Sir, it may be recalled that at Kamareddy BC declaration had been promised that a BC reservation will be increased based on census and BC commission report within 6 months of assuming power. But sir, when I'm reading the statement, in that statement, the promise made in the manifesto didn't have a place. You should have at least mentioned in the statement stating that, okay, yes, we will increase the percentage of BCs, हम इसको बढ़ाएंगे, legislation करेंगे, यहाँ से भेजेंगे, हम करें ये. लेकिन ये बात आपके statement में भी नहीं है. लेकिन आपने उठकर कहा, जवाब दिया, yes, you said that कि yes, BCs का जो है हम देखेंगे. ठीक है sir. Sir, it has almost taken 14 months for the completion of BC survey and tabling the findings. I'm using the word findings, sir, because the report has not been tabled. So that's why I'm saying findings, sir. Sir, the Kamareddy BC declaration had also promised that the BC reservation in local bodies will be raised to 42% to provide new political leadership position for BCs in panchayat and municipalities. So the BC declaration inter alia promised that 42% BC for will be provided in government civil contracts and maintenance contract also. So this is also not there in the statement, sir. So the minority declaration had assured that the caste census will be conducted within 6 months of the forming of the government, and the fair representation will be ensured for all the backward classes, including minorities in the government job and education institutions and government welfare schemes, sir. So similarly, Chevella SC/ST declaration had pledged to increase the reservation for SCs to 18% and STs to 12%. The SCA and ST declaration has also promised to provide 18% for SCs and 12% STS in government procurement and public work contracts, sir. So it was also promised to provide reservation for SCs, STs in private education institution and jobs in private companies, availing incentives from the government, sir. This means that the Congress manifesto and the Congress had promised to raise the quantum of reservation for the BC, SC, STs together to 72% from 50% earlier, sir. If I am wrong, it may be corrected, sir. Sir, Irrigation and Civil Supplies Minister Janab Uttam Kumar Reddy Sahab, you know, I heard him speaking to the press, and also I heard him today also, said that who headed the subcommittee, cabinet subcommittee on a caste survey, has pointed that the largest ever caste survey was completed in just 50 days. Congratulations, sir. Very good. I congratulate him, sir. So the entire process from passing a resolution in the cabinet to submission of survey report was completed in exactly 1 year. Right, sir. I congratulate for that also, sir.